Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Eileen. I have entry number 47 and this is coming from Crafting with Gabby. So I'm going to open this up real quick. I didn't get a chance to do that off camera. Thank you so much, love, for joining. This is so awesome, you guys joining in on the fun. There's so many prizes to be won and you guys will not be disappointed. I'm hoping you guys will not be disappointed. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh wow. Wow. Gabby. Girl, all we needed was the Memory Dex card. Oh, look at this. She got some lips on here, some gold bulldog. Look at this, is the tiniest little thing I have ever seen. So tiny. And she got me some lips. Oh, nice lips. Oh, this is her note. Happy birthday to many more of being fabulous. XOXO Crafting with Gabby. Thank you so much, love. Thank you, thank you. This is so cute. Look at those lips. I love it. She got an eye over here. Let's open this up. See what it is. Is this the Memory Dex? Oh, let me put that back. It's a Memory Dex card. So this is her. Ooh, she gifted me some paper clips. Nice little topper. The birthday packaging up on top. And a gold little heart. And these awesome clothespins. Oh my gosh. Girl, did you do these yourself? Wow. If you did, you're awesome. If you didn't, thank you for sharing them with me. These are so cute. You see why I'm asking, right? Because they're so perfect. They're so perfectly coordinated, even the lips. So she must have made these, I'm assuming. But you can already, you know, you can correct me if I'm wrong. Oh, that's so cool. She made a floaty Memory Dex card. So she used some, oh, I can't think. Acetate. She made her little Memory Dex indentation thing part right here. And then she's got happy birthday. This is a die cut swirly circle. That's the best words I can think of. And she's got a purple rosette underneath. This one is another one. I think it's another layer. It's just a smaller size. And this one says happy birthday. How did you do this? That is so cool. How did you do this, Gabby? Gabby, you gotta share. Gotta share your magic here because that is super cool. I mean, I love it. That's so cool. Thank you so much, Gabby. Look at this beautiful Memory Dex card, guys. I love it. Simple, clean, pretty, my kind of colors. I love, love, love. So, okay. So it's Crafting with Gabby, all one word, on YouTube and Instagram. And she is from Illinois. And she's a December baby. Yes. And her favorite colors are all colors, glitter, and crafty hugs. Oh my gosh, Gabby, you're so cute. Yes, look at all her glitter. I love it. Love, love, love it. And I wonder if this is this a die? Is this a punch? The happy birthday? Let me know, girly, because this is gorgeous. I love it, you guys. So when you put this in the Memory Dex box, it's gonna look like it's floating. Super cute. Love it. Thank you so much, Gabby. Oh my gosh, girly, you are awesome. Thank you, thank you, thank you for joining this giveaway, and good luck to you. I see you guys in the next video. Go check out her channel and her Instagram. This crafty, glittery girl. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.